Hey, hello to all. Welcome to Hacker Associate. In this section, I'm going to review HackThebox Dante. So I'm going to basically discuss about HackThebox Dante, how you can proceed, what skill you require to solve that particular machine. So let's get started. So when we talk about HackThebox Dante, as we know, basically it's from HackThebox, and this is basically come under the Pro Labs. I think you already know about it. So I cracked this particular machine just in 4 days. There are 27 machines, and I successfully cracked this 27 machine just in 4 days. So it basically took me a lot of time. It means I just spent around 8 hours per day, and based on this, continuously I just try and I just follow the right approach, and I successfully crack the machine. So certificate look like this. So once you complete this particular HackThebox Dante, the certificate will look like this. You can see clearly this is certificate, right? This is how it look like. Okay. So what skill you require? So example, let's say if you are a beginner, please don't go to this particular section. Of course, the HackThebox Dante is very good, for learning perspective, but you need red teaming knowledge. You require like port scanning, basically skills you require. Like enumeration, exploitation. Main part here is basically tunneling and pivoting attacks. So it is a mix up of everything. So you need basically privilege escalation skill. You need a WordPress exploitation skill. You also need web application penetration testing skill, tunneling like local forwarding, dynamic forwarding. There are three type of tunnel, like local, remote, and dynamic. That exactly we require. Proxy chain basically skills required. Likewise, there are a lot of things like reverse engineering, plus LFI, RFI, as I mentioned, application, SQL injections. So it's a mix up of everything. So it's not that too hard, but of course, if you are a beginner, it's very difficult, to crack, this machine, at initial stage, right? So it depends upon the skill. So even I am delivering, like my red team training, live, how to hack the Azure, how to hack the AWS and everything. So you can have a look into this, my particular program. You can go to the website www.hackerassociate.com. You will get all the information there regarding to the particular program. So that exactly skill is required. So as I mentioned, there are 27 machines are available. Starting part will be very easy. You can perform enumeration, recon, and you will be able to get the things properly. After that, like slightly when come to the WordPress or other basically the technology basically come there, then like here is very difficult because tunneling and everything we need to implement under this particular section, right? And overall my experience is very good with HackThebox Dante. And again, you can look for other Pro Lab, and which I'm going to review in maybe next particular video. I hope you like the particular video. I hope you like the particular HackThebox Pro Lab, the introduction, the review, and everything. For more information, please check LinkedIn, and you can directly comment there. Thank you. Have a great day.